breaks down toilet limescale like a hammer. Did you know how easy and cheap it is to get rid of limescale in the toilet? You only need a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Start with about 2 ounces of dish soap. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. The third ingredient is vinegar, about 10 ounces. Mix everything well so the salt dissolves. Pour the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle to make it easier to apply. Now pour it all over the toilet bowl, especially where limescale builds up. Don't forget under the rim. Leave it overnight to let the mixture work. In the morning, just flush the toilet and enjoy the cleanliness. This method is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. Soak a roll of toilet paper under the shower. Remove the cardboard tube from the center. Start kneading the wet paper, shaping it into a donut form. Once the mass is compact and even, generously pour your favorite fabric softener over it. Add scented fragrance beads on top. Place the aromatic ring on the toilet tank lid. It will slowly release a pleasant scent, making the whole room smell fresh. It keeps the space fresh for weeks and adds an aesthetic, decorative touch to the bathroom. Drop an egg into the toilet. No plumber will tell you this simple trick for unclogging a toilet. You will see how the blockage begins to break down. Before reaching for strong chemical cleaners from the store, try this simple method. Prepare a bowl. Take an egg. An egg naturally has a slightly thick and sticky consistency. Crack one into the bowl. Then separate the egg white from the yolk and use only the egg white for the mixture. The egg white is the key ingredient because it works like a natural lubricant that helps debris move through the drain pipes. Now, prepare some liquid soap. It helps break down grease and dirt that build up inside the pipes. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl and mix everything well. Pour the prepared mixture into the drain. Then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which helps dissolve grease and deposits. Next, pour in 1 cup of vinegar. You will see a foaming reaction. This is a natural way to deal with a clogged toilet because it helps break apart blockages in the pipes. Cover the toilet bowl with plastic wrap and make sure there is no air underneath. This is a simple way to unclog a toilet without using a plunger. Then press the surface several times to create pressure. With this simple trick, you may see how the clog loosens and the water starts flowing again without calling a plumber. Do you have yellow stains and limescale in your toilet and nothing seems to work? This no-scrub toilet cleaning trick gets the job done in just a few minutes. Build-up from hard water forms quickly inside the bowl, and that's when stubborn discoloration appears that regular cleaners can't always remove. For this effective DIY mixture, I use only 2 things you probably already have at home. Grab a piping bag and add shaving foam. Shaving foam acts like a thick cleaning layer, clings to the surface, softens grime, and helps break down buildup. Then pour in a little Coca-Cola. It's a surprisingly useful product that can replace a lot of harsh chemical cleaners. Thanks to its acids, cola helps dissolve limescale and freshens the surface, so yellow stains and mineral deposits come off much more easily. Mix everything well until it's smooth and even. Cut the tip of the bag and apply the mixture directly under the rim of the toilet. Focus on the yellow stains. Let it sit for a moment so it can work. Then take a toilet brush and gently clean the entire surface. The mixture does most of the work for you. Finally, flush. The toilet looks shiny and fresh like new without using strong chemicals. The results last a long time. It's one of the best ways to remove limescale and yellow buildup from a toilet bowl. Pour coffee into the toilet, and by tomorrow it will look like new. You won't believe the results. Start by preparing a small bowl and adding 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Coffee acts as a natural cleaner, removing stains and buildup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which effectively dissolves limescale and neutralizes bacteria. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix thoroughly. Thanks to its acetic acid content, vinegar effectively removes mineral deposits and disinfects surfaces. If the mixture seems too dry, add another tablespoon of vinegar to achieve the right consistency. Stir again until a smooth paste forms. Once ready, apply the mixture all over the toilet bowl, especially in areas prone to buildup and stains. Let it sit for 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to break down dirt and grime. Then, scrub the toilet thoroughly with a brush and flush with water. With the natural cleaning power of coffee, baking soda, and vinegar, your toilet will shine without the need for harsh chemicals. This is a simple, affordable, and eco-friendly way to keep your bathroom spotless. A hotel housekeeper shared a secret with me that you'll never find online. Just stick a few pads under the toilet seat and spray them with your favorite air freshener. Every time you lift the seat, it releases a fresh, pleasant scent, just like in luxury hotels. Now for the toilet itself. Place the toilet brush inside the bowl and lower the lid to hold it in place. Pour toilet cleaner over the brush, spray some disinfectant, and sprinkle scented beads on top. Add some fabric softener and dish soap. The more colors, the better. Then sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda, which naturally removes limescale and buildup. Add some shaving foam and even more scented beads. Then again, add dish soap in a different color. Pour plenty of vinegar over everything. The mixture will start to fizz, creating an active foam that cleans every corner of the toilet. Scrub with the brush as usual. After flushing, you'll see a result like after professional cleaning. The toilet will shine and smell fresh for weeks. The combo of scented pads and foaming cleaner gives you hotel-level cleanliness and fragrance. This is how you'll clean even a very dirty toilet without any scrubbing. The fizzing foam will do all the work for you. Prepare a small bowl. Add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting properties and handles tough grime very well. Add 6 tablespoons of citric acid too. This natural ingredient has a whitening effect, removes limescale, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and boosts the cleaning power of the entire mixture. Pour the contents of the bowl into the toilet. But that's not all. Add a bit of your favorite dish soap. It will help break down greasy dirt. Next, pour about 1½ quarts of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties. It effectively eliminates bacteria, fungi, and mold. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will start to fizz vigorously. This chemical reaction acts like an invisible brush that reaches every corner. Leave the foam for several minutes so it has time to dissolve dirt and disinfect the toilet interior. After just a few minutes, you'll notice a fresh, clean scent in the bathroom, and your toilet will shine like new. Throw some ice cubes into the toilet. This clever trick solves an annoying problem that hardly anyone talks about. Next, pour in your favorite cleaning liquid. Just use whatever you have at home. Then grab some fabric softener. Its anti-static properties help prevent dirt and residue from sticking to the ceramic surface. Plus, it leaves a fresh, long-lasting scent. Add a capful to the toilet. Now it's time for shaving foam. The order of these steps really matters. The foam breaks down grime and acts like an active cleaner. Next, toss in some laundry scent beads. They release a strong fragrance over time and even create a protective layer inside the toilet. Add a bit of dish soap, too. Its degreasing power cuts through dirt and makes the ceramic shine. Let everything sit in the toilet for an hour so the ingredients can work their magic. Then scrub the bowl thoroughly with a toilet brush. Flush and give it another quick scrub. The ice helps loosen deposits and makes the other ingredients work better. This wild combination acts like professional-grade cleaner. Your toilet will be not only clean, but also fresh-smelling, shiny, and looking better than ever.